Hi students, welcome to joint admission test for MSc of Biological Science and Biotechnology online coaching program of CTUN Coaching Center. This joint admission test was organized by IIT Kanpur on behalf of MHRD, that is Ministry of Human Resource and Development. By writing this joint admission test, the student can get admitted to qualified students get admitted to institutions like ICERs and IITs. And for biological science JAM examination, any BSc Life Science stream, that is botany, zoology, microbiology and biochemistry students can appear for this biological science JAM examination. And a different exam was conducted for biotechnology aspirants for getting admitted to JAM examination. Here, we are discussing about the detailed syllabus of this both biological science and biotechnology subjects. Next, we are discussing about the question paper pattern, the sections of this question paper and mark distribution of this question paper. We are discussing about that also. Now, first of all, we can discuss the syllabus of Biological Science JAM test or JAM entrance examination. The important units of this Biological Science syllabus include General Biology, Basics of Biochemistry, Biophysics and Molecular Biology, Microbiology, Cell Biology and Immunology. Last is Mathematical Science. This the first three topics, that is general biology, basics of biochemistry, biophysics and molecular biology, and also microbiology, cell biology and immunology. We should study in the degree level, that is BSc level we should study. But the mathematical science we should study only in the +2 level. First topic is general biology. Which are the units coming under this general biology? First is Mendelian genetics and heredity. You know about the Mendelian genetics, the principles of Mendel and heredity, principles like laws like a law of independent assortment, law of segregation, law of dominance. This all study under this Mendelian genetics and heredity. Next is evolution, taxonomy and physiology. Under this evolution taxonomy, one should try monophyletic evolution, paraphyletic, phenetic taxonomy, phylogenetic taxonomy, etc. Next topic is prokaryotic and eukaryotic organism. You know about the major prokaryotic and eukaryotic organism. Which are the prokaryotic organism? Mainly bacteria, different types of bacteria. Eukaryotic organism, virus. Next, we can discuss about the cell organelles and their function. Which are the major cell organelles? Cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, vacuole, mitochondria and their function. The question will ask like powerhouse of the cell and the functions of different organelles. Next, it is a multicellular organization, the multicellular organism. And next is about the energy transformation, that is the conversion of one form of energy into another form of energy. Next unit is internal transport system of plants. Which are the main transport system of plants? Internal transport system of plant, that is the xylem and phloem, and many questions will come under this section. Next is respiration, regulation of body fluid and excretory mechanisms. Then cellular reproduction. എന്താണ് cellular reproduction? Genesis and diversity of organism, different forms of organism. Next is animal behavior. Animal behavior endana? The animal behaviors like walking, swimming, all are animal behaviors. Next is about plant and animal diseases. ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് major plant diseases like wilt, rot, ergotism. These are all plant diseases. Animal diseases, anthrax. Next is about biology and population and communities. It is an ecology topic. What do you mean by population? Population is a group of individuals of the same species constitute this population. Then what is community? Community is a group of population. That is different type of population together form communities. Then MCQ questions will be asked based on this. Which type of community, which type of population, which type of ecosystem. Next topic in the syllabus is basics of biochemistry, biophysics and molecular biology. The first unit is enzyme mechanisms and kinetics. Which are the enzyme mechanism? Many enzyme mechanism, enzyme inhibition, competition and the Michael-Menten equation. All these are important in this topic. Next is nucleic acid metabolism. Nucleic acid is the either DNA or RNA, and the nucleic acid metabolism involve both de novo and salvage pathway of purine and mainly purine and pyrimidine synthesis. And the questions will be asked, that is like the which amino acid, which is the contributor of carbon atom of this purine, else nitrogen atom of this pyrimidine. Like question is asked from this nucleic acid metabolism. Next is about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? You had studied from earlier classes itself, and here we have to study in the degree BSc level. So we have to focus on the both light dependent and light independent pathways, that is Calvin cycle, C3C4 plants, Calvin cycle, etc. Next is buffers. What is a buffer solution? Any solution that resists the change in pH. Any solution that resists the change in pH is the buffer solution. So we have to study about the different buffer solution, buffer system in blood, examples for buffers. Next is trace elements in biological system. Which are the trace elements in biological system? The zinc, molybdenum, cobalt, nickel. Like so many trace elements are there in the biological system and their function. Next is about enzymes and protein. We have to discuss about different enzymes and nomenclature of this enzyme and different types of protein, different structure of protein. Next is vitamin. Many classifications of vitamins are there. One classification is fat soluble and water soluble vitamin. Next is biological oxidation. Next is carbohydrate, lipid and their metabolism. Which are the main carbohydrate metabolism? Metabolism means either the breakdown or synthesis of a particular compound. Here carbohydrate metabolism include glycolysis, gluconeogenesis, glycogenesis and many of the lipid metabolism we had to study. From this, the enzyme used for particular reaction is the main important, and the substrate and the product formed. The question will be asked whether which is the substrate, which is the product of carbohydrate metabolism or lipid metabolism. Next is digestion and absorption. Then about detoxifying mechanism. Detoxifying mechanism, as the name indicates, it is the removal of toxic substance from our body. Removal of toxic substance from our body.